Hey DIY friends, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree review video. So if you don't know by now from my channel, I love to review different things I find at Dollar Tree because I want to know if it's really any good to help utilize for gifts or just for myself. So I have been really big on trying to find a way to keep nice smells throughout my car and my home and certain rooms, and I came across this Aroma Diffuser at Dollar Tree. The one thing I liked about it was that it is water free, so this is something that I really wanted to try, especially for my car, so that I don't have to worry about continuously filling anything up with water and dealing with those normal type of diffusers. And this is what you get inside of the packaging. You get the diffuser itself, these two circle packs, and the instructions. It's pretty straightforward. I also picked up some Dollar Tree fragrance just so I can put inside of the diffuser to see if it actually will work. I've already put batteries in there, and you need to have two AAA batteries for this diffuser. So I already pushed a button. Don't know if you can hear that, but the fan is on. It's indeed blowing, and the air comes out this section right here with these holes. So per the instructions, what you need to do is to get your fragrance oil and put 4 to 6 drops on there, and what you would have to do is turn the bottom and then pop this part off, and then this is the fan and this is the part here. Now I did do some research to see if anybody has actually reviewed this, and I hope I came across one, because everyone kept complaining about this piece right here flapping about, and I'm like, well, that doesn't make sense. Why would they make something where you have to use some type of glue to hold it down? Well, what I realized is this piece right here, this circle piece, it protrudes up. So this circle is literally supposed to be placed on this part and then pushed down around this circle piece, which enables this piece to be still and not move when the fan is turned on. You have to make sure you push it all the way around so that you can feel this circle in the center above this felt piece. So I'm going to get my fragrance oil, and I'm going to put 6 on here. It's like so hard to get this stuff out. All right, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm not sure if you can see a little drop of wetness indentations on there, which is a lot. This fragrance oil from Dollar Tree is very potent, but we're going to see what happens. And then you just twist it around until you can find the part that actually allows it to slide down. Come on, what's happening? There we go. All right, and I'm going to turn it on. Oh yeah, this is cool. It's basically like, imagine having a fan and you have something on the back of the fan that suctions the air through, and the smell comes through it. This is exactly what you get. So you get a fan with fragrance in there, and you have to be this close to feel the actual air, but again, it's not a fan. It's just releasing it into the air. But the smell is indeed mild, so if I was to put more in here, it will definitely be more potent in the room. But I am smelling it at only 6 drops, which I hope is 6 because it was hard to get out of here. But yeah, this is really cool. Like, I would definitely use this for my car. Well, I'm going to use it for my car because I really be trying to keep my car smelling like something, and this will be perfect because it deals with no water. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review video. I'm working on some DIYs. I'll be back with some new videos soon in this new year 2021. Hope you guys are having a great day, and thank you for watching.